I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to create a Zoho mail signature. First, log into your Zoho mail account. Then, locate the settings icon, usually found in the top right corner. From the settings menu, find and click on the signatures option. This is where you will manage all your email signatures. Finally, click the Create New Signature button to start building your professional email closing. Once you are in the signature editor, you will see a rich text editor. This powerful tool allows you to format your text with various fonts, colors, and sizes. You can also add important elements like your name, title, company, and phone number. Remember to keep it concise, aiming for 3 to 5 lines of text for optimal readability across various email clients and devices. To enhance your signature, consider adding a professional image, such as your company logo or a headshot. You can easily upload images directly into the editor. Also, include clickable links to your website, LinkedIn profile, or other social media. Make sure images are optimized, perhaps around 100 by 100 pixels, to load quickly and display correctly. After crafting your perfect signature, remember to click the Save button. You can then set this new signature as your default for all outgoing emails. Zoho Mail also allows you to create multiple signatures and assign them to different email addresses or specific scenarios, giving you great flexibility. This ensures your professional closing is always ready.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.